Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different in React.js. Okay, yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn something new, something different in React.js. Okay, and guys, today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state-of-the-art to-do list app using React.js and local storage as well. Okay, yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, I will explain you, I'll teach you guys that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state-of-the-art to-do list app using React.js and local storage as well. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example first and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain you the example so that we will get to know that today what we are gonna create and today what we are gonna learn in this video, in this session. Okay, so let me go to the example first and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain you the example so that we will get to know that what is the feature, what is the functionality of this demo, of this example. Okay, so let me go to the example first and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain you all the feature, all the functionality of the example as well. Okay, so let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built using purely React.js and local storage as well. Okay, so guys, here we can see the heading also, awesome React to do with local storage, keep your task forever. Okay, so guys, it says we are gonna learn here that how we can create an awesome, dynamic and state-of-the-art to-do list app using local storage and React.js. Okay, yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session guys, I will explain you, I'll teach you guys that how we can create this kind of dynamic and awesome React to-do app with local storage and with SweetAlert too. Okay, so guys, in this video, in this session guys, we have got a lot of things, okay, to learn, to understand from this video, from this session. Okay, so guys, below we can see one form also. So this is the input field and this is the button called add task. Okay, so guys, you can see here the placeholder of this input field which says please enter your task. Okay, so guys, in order to enter our to-do task, our to-do item in our to-do app, okay guys, we have to enter here the valid to-do task. Okay, and then we have to hit this button add task in order to add the to-do task or to-do item in our to-do app. Okay, so guys, as of now you can see here we don't have any single to-do item or the to-do task. Okay, so that's why we can see here this default image, okay, and the text also which says please add some task or to-dos. Okay, so guys, by default this image and this text will be shown if we don't have any single to-do item or task in our to-do list app. Okay guys, the moment we will have at least single item in our to-do app or the okay, in our to-do app, okay, then guys, we won't be able to see this image and we won't be able to see this text also. So now guys, I am gonna add few to-do tasks in our to-do app. Okay, then only I will be able to explain you all the feature, all the functionality of this dynamic and awesome to-do app which I have built using React and local storage as well. Okay, so guys, it says here keep your task forever. Okay, so guys, your task will remain here forever unless and until you are gonna delete it by yourself or manually. Okay, so guys, now let me just add a few to do tasks in our to do app. Okay, and let me just show you all the feature, all the functionality as well. Okay, guys, trust me guys, from this video, from this session, guys, we have got a lot of things to learn, a lot of stuff to ponder over it. Okay, and guys, I'm damn sure guys, I'm pretty sure that after watching this video, after having this session, guys, you will be expert in creating this kind of dynamic and state of the art to do app using React and local storage as well. Okay, guys, I give you my word, I promise you, I guarantee you guys that if you want learn in this video, in this session, then guys, you can just comment me that I didn't get anything, okay, from this video, from this session, and from the next time I'm not gonna watch your video, I'm not gonna watch your session. Okay guys, I promise you guys, okay, I give you my word that I will explain you guys each and everything, each and every minute details about this app, to do app, okay, which I have built using React and local storage as well. Okay, so guys, now let me just add few to do task. Okay, so first task I'm gonna add here, learn React. Okay, .js, hit enter. You can see guys, task added now, learn React.js. Okay, click OK. So guys, here we can see here, this is the task, okay, which we just have added, learn React.js. And guys, below on the right hand side, we can see three buttons also. The first button is called view task, second button is called edit task, and the third button is called delete task. Okay, so let me just add few more tasks. I'll say here, learn C++, hit enter. So guys, either we can add this task, okay, by hitting the button enter, or by pressing this button add task as well. Okay, so this time I'm gonna hit this button add task. Okay, so hit it now. You can see here guys, the moment we have hit the button add task, okay, we can see here one SweetAlert pop up, okay, which says task added now, and this is the task we have just added, okay, in our to do app, okay, which is learn C++. Okay, so click OK. So now just add few more tasks. I'll say here learn HTML, hit enter. You can see task added now, learn HTML, click OK. So guys, now you can see here guys, on each and every task item, okay guys, we have got here three buttons also. The first button is called view task, second button is called edit task, and the last button or the third button is called delete task. Okay, so guys, here also on the second task, which is learn C++, we have got here three buttons also, view task, edit task, okay, and delete task. Okay, so guys, on the third task also, which is learn HTML, we have got three buttons, okay, view task, edit task, and delete task. Okay, so guys, likewise for all the tasks, okay, it will be there. Okay, so guys, for all the tasks we will have these three buttons, view task, edit task, and delete task. Okay, so let me just add few tasks also. So just copy this text only and just paste it here, hit enter. You can see here task added now, and the task is keep your tasks forever. Okay, click OK. So guys, here also we can see the same button, view task, edit task, and delete task. Okay, so guys, now let me just show you all the feature, all the functionality of these three buttons as well. Okay, so guys, first button says view task, okay, which means guys, we can view the task whenever we will click this button view task. Okay, so guys, now one by one I am gonna view the task by clicking this button view task. Okay, so hit it now. So guys, you can see here task details. Okay, so the task is learn React.js. Okay, so guys, here you can see here I have used here SweetAlert to pop up, which is state of the art. Okay, so guys, this is very dynamic and this is very awesome guys. Okay, I will explain you guys, I'll teach you guys that how we can use, how we can integrate, okay, this SweetAlert 2 in our React.js application, in our React.js app as well, here in this video, in this session only. Okay, so guys, this is the task, learn react.js. Click OK. So guys, now I'm gonna see the second task, which is learn C++. Okay, so hit this button, view task. You can see here task details. So the task is learn C++. Okay, and we have got one button also called OK to dismiss this pop-up. So hit it now. So now I'm gonna see the task, learn HTML. Okay, so hit the button, view task. You can see here task details. So the task is learn HTML. Click OK. So I'm gonna see the last task, keep your tasks forever. Okay, so hit the button, view task. Okay, so you can see here task details, keep your task forever. Okay, so click OK. So guys, we can guys add number of tasks. Okay guys, there is no limitations, there is no any restrictions that we can have only 4 tasks, we can have only 5 tasks, we can add only 6 tasks, we can have only 7 tasks. No guys, we can have number of tasks in our to-do list app. Okay, let me just add few more tasks so that it will give you the confidence, it will give you the kick. Okay, that yeah, our to-do app is very dynamic and very state of the art. Okay, so let me just add few tasks only. So I'll just add here, welcome to react.js. Okay, so copy and paste it here. So hit enter. You can see here task added now, welcome to react.js. Okay, click OK. So guys, here you can see here the task is now added here, welcome to react.js. Okay, and guys, here also we can see the same button. Okay, 3 buttons. Okay, view task, edit task, okay, and delete task. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna see the task. Okay, I'm gonna view the task, which is welcome to react.js. Okay, so guys, in order to view this task, we have to hit this button, view task. You can see here task details. Okay, and the task is welcome to react.js. Okay, so click OK. So guys, this was the functionality, this was the feature of this button, view task. Okay, which I showed you, which I explained you. Okay, so guys, now let me just explain you the functionality of this edit button as well. Okay, you can see here on each and every task we have got the button also, edit task. Okay, so edit task, edit task, edit task, edit task. Okay, and edit task here also, and the more task you will add, we will have guys these 3 buttons on the each and every task. Okay, on each and every to-do list item we will have these 3 buttons, view task, edit task, and delete task. Okay, so guys, now I am gonna edit this first task, which is learn react.js. Okay, so hit the button, edit task. You can see guys, here also I have opened a SweetAlert to pop up just to edit our task. Okay, so guys, that's why guys I called you that's why guys I told you that our to-do app is very dynamic and state of the art. Okay, so guys, this is the one of a kind video guys on the YouTube you will watch today, and definitely guys, I promise you, I will explain you guys each and everything. Okay, and guys, you will become master in creating this kind of to-do app using react.js and local storage as well. Okay, so guys, here I have opened a SweetAlert 2 which says edit your task. Okay, and guys, this is the input field, and I have fetched the previously added task, I have fetched the old task also here in the input field, which is the first task, learn react.js. Okay, and guys, here we can see here we have got 2 buttons also, save task and cancel task. Okay, so guys, if you don't want to change the task, if you don't want to update it, if you don't want to modify it, if you don't want to make any changes to this task, okay guys, you can hit the button cancel, and the operation will be aborted, the operation will be cancelled. Okay, so this time I am gonna cancel the task. I'm not gonna edit, I'm not gonna make any change to this task. Okay, so hit the button cancel. You can see here it's here. So guys, let me just refresh the page first. Okay, you can see guys, our each and every task remains here only. Let me just hard refresh the page also. Okay, you can see here I have refreshed so many times. Okay, but still our task remains here because I am using here local storage to keep our task forever. Okay guys, it says also keep your tasks forever. Okay, so that's why our task remain here no matter you are gonna cut the page, no matter you are gonna refresh the page as well. Okay, our task will remain here. So let me just count the number of tasks. Okay, so as of now we have got 5 tasks. Okay, so guys, now I am gonna cut the page. Okay, and let me just reopen it. Okay, so cut this out and let me just reopen it. So let me just go to the live server, open with live server. You can see, boom guys, you can see here our task is still here. We have got 5 tasks. The first task is learn React, learn C++, learn HTML, keep your tasks forever, and welcome to React.js. Okay, so guys, let me just add one more task. I'll just give here number 6. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, so you can see here task added. Now the task is number 6. Okay, click OK. So now let's just refresh the page. Let's just hard refresh the page. Okay, so you can see here it is still here. So just cut this out. Okay, and try to open the page again. Open with live server. You can see, boom guys, you can see here our all the task is here only, because we are gonna save each and everything in our local storage in our machine only. Okay, so guys, now let me just now edit the task one by one very quickly. Okay, so I'm gonna edit it. So guys, let me just remove each and everything. Okay, and now try to save the task. Okay, hit the button save. You can see here guys, we have got the alert also. You need to give to do task. Okay, so guys, we can't save any blank space, we can't save any blank task in our to do app. Okay, that's why it is very dynamic and state of the art to do app. Okay, we must guys have to fill something here. So I'm gonna say here state of the art to do app. Hit enter. You can see here task updated. Okay, and now you can see here state of the art. Okay, so let me just edit it one more time. Okay, state of the art. Okay, so to do app. Hit enter. You can see here updated, your task has been updated. Okay, and it says now the task has become state of the art to do app. Okay, so guys, now let me just refresh the page. Okay, let me just cut the page also, and let me just open it one more time. So open with live server. You can see, boom guys, you can see here the task remains same, which is state of the art to do app. Okay, so guys, now let me just edit the second task, which is learn C++. So hit the button edit task. So now just make it 2, hit enter. Okay, so updated, your task has been updated, and you can see here now it has become learn C++ 2. Okay, so you can add it one more time. We can guys add it as many time as we want. Okay, so let me just hit enter without giving anything. You can see here you need to give to do task. Okay, so just cancel this and it will remain as it is, learn C++ 2. So refresh the page. You can see here it is still learn C++ 2. Okay, so now I am gonna edit the third task, learn HTML. So hit the button edit task. You can see here I'm gonna make it 3. So hit enter. You can see updated, your task has been updated. You can see now it has become learn 3. So refresh the page, hard refresh the page, it will remain here only. So cut this page out and just open it one more time. I want to give you guys confidence. I want to make you more and more confident. Okay, so that next time you will definitely try this creating on your own. Okay, so you can see here each and every task remains same, state of the art to do learn C++ 22, learn HTML 33. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna change this task, keep your tasks forever. So hit the button edit task, and we will say here we know it very well. Hit enter. You can see updated, your task has been updated, and it says now keep your task forever and we know it very well. Okay, so refresh the page also. You can see now it has become keep your task forever and we know it very well. Okay, so I'm gonna edit this task, welcome to React.js. So we have to hit the button edit task. So hit it now. So now just make it I'll just give here hello React.js developers. Okay, so hit enter. You can see updated, your task has been updated. Welcome to React.js, hello React.js developers. So refresh the page. See, it's still here, guys. Okay, it is still here, no change, no deletion, no any error, no any issue at all. Okay, so now I'm gonna edit the last task, which is number 6. Okay, so hit the button edit task. So now just make it, just copy this text only and just paste it, because I don't remember anything as of now. Okay, so hit the button save task. You can see updated, your task has been updated. So refresh the page. You can see. So guys, now I just showed you the functionality of this feature, of this button edit task. Okay, so guys, now let me just show you the functionality of this button delete task as well. Okay, so guys, now first of all I'm gonna delete the this task. Okay, learn HTML3. Okay, so hit the button delete task. Okay, so hit it now. You can see, guys, the moment I have hit the button delete task, okay, I have opened SweetAlert 2 pop-up, which says, are you sure you won't be able to revert it back? Okay, so guys, it is asking you, it is like, it is giving you the warning. It is asking your consent, it is asking your permission, that do you really want to delete this task? Okay, and it says you won't be able to revert it back. Okay, so guys, it is asking that do you really want to delete this task? Okay, because you might have pressed the button by mistake as well. Okay, so it is asking you, it is giving you the warning that you won't be able to get it back, you won't be able to revert this process. Okay, because once you press the button yes delete it, your task will be deleted forever from your system, from your UI, from your local storage as well. Okay, and the moment you will hit the button cancel, you won't be deleting your task. Okay, and your task will remain here. Okay, so this time I'm gonna hit the button cancel. No, I don't want to delete this task. Okay, I just press the button by mistake. Okay, so cancel is gonna about this process, cancel is gonna about the deletion process. Okay, so just hit the button cancel. You can see here it is cancelled now, and our task will remain here only. It says learn HTML3. So guys, now actually I'm gonna delete it now, the task learn HTML33. So hit the button delete task. So hit it now. You can see it is again asking you, are you sure you won't be able to revert it back? Okay, but this time I'm actually wanna delete it. Okay, so I'm gonna hit the button yes delete it. So hit it now. It says deleted, your task has been deleted, and it says okay, again guys, I am opening a alert to show the user that your task has been deleted, your task has been removed from the UI, from the machine, from the local storage as well, and now you won't be able to get it back, now you won't be able to revert it back. Okay, so click OK to dismiss this pop-up. So now refresh the page. Now refresh the page. Okay, so guys, now it's gone. Okay, so let me just delete the last task as well. Okay, so are you sure you won't be able to revert it back? Okay, yeah, I'm damn sure I'm gonna delete it. Okay, so hit the button yes delete it. Says deleted, your task has been deleted. Click OK. So now refresh the page. Okay, and now cut this page also. So guys, as of now we have got only 6 tasks. Okay, so cut this page and try to open it again in the browser. So open with live server. You can see here, guys, boom, guys, you can see here we have got only 4 tasks. Okay, and once we have deleted our 2 tasks, okay, it won't be able to come back, we won't be able to get it back. Okay, so guys, now let me just delete all the tasks one by one. Okay, so hit the button delete task to delete the first task, which is state of the art to do app. Okay, so hit the button delete task. Are you sure you won't be able to revert it back? Okay, so yes, I'm damn sure. Yes, press the button yes delete it. So deleted, your task has been deleted. Click OK. Delete this task also. Are you sure? Yeah, I am sure. Delete it. So it's gone, deleted, your task has been deleted. Click OK. Delete this task also. Are you sure you won't be able to revert it back? Yeah, I'm sure. So delete it. See, deleted, your task has been deleted. Click OK. delete this also. It is asking same thing. It is asking your permission, it is asking your consent, it is giving you the warning at the same time that you won't be able to get it back, you won't be able to revert it back once you press the button yes delete it. Okay guys, as of now we can abort the operation by clicking the button cancel. Okay, so you can see here it's gone, it is not deleted because I have pressed the button cancel. So refresh the page, you can see here we have got only one task. So cut this page out and just open the page again in the live server. You can see we have got only one task which says welcome to React.js, hello React.js developers. So this time I'm gonna delete it. So now press the button yes delete it. So boom guys, deleted, your task has been deleted. Click OK. So guys, now we don't have any single item or we don't have any single task in our to-do app. So that's why guys we can see this image by default and this text please add some tasks or to-dos, okay, by default. Okay, so guys we must have at least one to-do task or one to-do list item in our to-do app, then only we won't be able to see this image and we won't be able to see this text also. Okay, so guys let me just add few tasks. So I'll say here fix your mobile, hit enter. You can see task added now which is fix your mobile. Click OK. So I'll say here learn React.js with Prabhat Pandit. Okay, hit enter. Click OK. Task added now. Learn React.js with Prabhat Pandit. Click OK. I'll say here please like this video also. Hit enter. You can say here you can see here guys task added now which says please like this video also. Click OK and please subscribe now this channel. Hit enter. You can see here task added now, please subscribe now this channel. Okay, so click OK. So refresh the page, you can see our task will remain here. Okay, because we are using here the local storage for the persistent behavior. Okay, for the persistent behavior guys we are gonna use the local storage along with the react.js, okay, to create this kind of state of the art and dynamic, okay, react to do app, okay, with me Prabhat Pandit, okay, to keep our task forever. Okay, so guys there is no any meaning, there is no any point of creating, okay, a simple to-do list app using React, okay, which is gonna be once guys you will refresh your page, once you will reload your page, your task will be deleted, your task will be removed, okay, your task will be vanished. Okay, so guys there is no point of creating such kind of application, okay, using React. Okay, so guys this is the real app, this is the state of the art to do app, okay, which will keep your task forever unless and until you are gonna delete it by yourself or manually. Okay, so that's why I'm gonna use here local storage to keep our task forever. Okay, so guys now let's get started and let's learn and let's create guys this kind of application using react.js and local storage, okay, for to keep our task forever, okay, with me Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys now guys I feel guys, okay, I can sense guys that you are very excited, you are very thrilled to learn to create this kind of application, this kind of to do app using react.js and local storage as well with me Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys now let's get started and let's learn without wasting a single moment now. Okay, because I can sense guys, I can feel guys, okay, I can feel that you are very excited, you are very thrilled to learn to create this kind of to do app in React using local storage as well. Okay, so guys before starting of the video guys I would like to request you all guys, please guys subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with and please guys press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist you can be notified and you can watch them instantly and you can learn from them also, and definitely guys you will grow also after watching my video, after watching my session professionally. Okay, so guys it's a request, it's a humble request guys, please do subscribe the channel Code with and please like this video also, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and on ServiceNow as well. Okay, so guys, consider me as your friend, consider me as your brother, and guys, I need your help, I need your support, guys. And the only way you can help me, and the only way you can support me, is by subscribing to my this channel Code with ER, and by liking all my videos, guys, which will give me the confidence, and which will also gonna tell YouTube algorithm that please try to relay this video to the larger audience, to the more and more audience. Okay, so please guys, like this video, and please guys, do comment, okay, your feeling, your thought also about this video, about this session, that what you have learned new from this video, from this session. And do let me know what I can improve, what I can like I mean can change, okay, in this session, okay, for my coming session also, which will give you the great, okay, viewing experience on YouTube. Okay, so please guys, okay, help this video to reach, okay, larger and larger audience by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video as well. Okay, please guys, please, okay, I need your help, I need your support. Okay, and the only way you can help me, and the only way you can support me, is by subscribing to my this YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay, please guys, subscribe now and like the video also. Okay guys, I need your help, I need your support. Okay guys, you can see here, this channel is gonna teach you HTML to CSS to Vue.js to React to Angular, now ServiceNow also. Okay, so I hope guys you will subscribe now my the channel Code with ER, and you will press the bell icon also, and you will like this video also. Okay, so guys, now let's get started, and let's learn, and let's build this awesome and dynamic state-of-the-art to-do app using React and local storage with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now let me go to the code editor. So guys, here I'm gonna use the VS Code editor. Guys, you are free to use the IDE of your choice, of your preferences. Okay, so first of all guys, let me just create one file. So I'll say here React, okay, to do app.html. so save the file, hit enter, it is already there. So let me just give here one, hit enter. So guys, now let me just create the HTML structure first. So I'll say here HTML. So I'm gonna give the title also as a Code with ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, by now you all know that my name is Prabhat Pandit, and I am a software developer. Currently guys, I am working as a ServiceNow developer at Happiest Minds Bangalore, and I have got more than 5 years of experience in software development. Okay, so guys, now in order to work with this file, we need some CDN links also. So let me go to the example first, and let me just copy the CDN links from there only. So let me just go a little up. So yeah, so copy these CDN links from here, and let me just paste it here. So let me just paste it here. So as you can see here, this is the CSS file for font awesome. Okay, and this is the CSS file for bootstrap.min.js. Okay, I'm gonna use here the bootstrap as well. Okay, and guys, this is the CDN link for SweetAlert 2. Okay, here I'm gonna also explain you that how we can use, how we can integrate SweetAlert 2 in our React application, in our React project. Okay, to create this kind of state-of-the-art to-do app using React and local storage and SweetAlert 2. Okay, so save your file. Let me just come here one more time, and let me just copy these CDN links also. So copy it from here and paste it above the closing body tag. So paste it here. So guys, this is the CDN link for React.development. Okay, and this is the CDN link for React DOM.development.js. Okay, and this is the CDN link for babel.min.js. Okay, and we all know now that why we use Babel. Okay guys, here we are gonna use the CDN version of Babel. Okay, so we have to specify like a type attribute as well in our script element, in our script tag. Okay, when we will create it. Okay, so guys, first of all, let me just create here one container div first, or we can say here the parent div also. So let me just give the ID as a root only. So close this div. Okay, so I'm gonna create here one script tag also. So I'll say here script, close this. I'm gonna give the type attribute as well. So I'll give here the text slash Babel. Okay, because we are gonna use here the Syrian version of Babel. Okay, so we have to specify, we have to mention here the type attribute as well to this script tag. Okay, so just open this script now. So first of all, I'm going to create here the parent component or main component. I'll say here main component. So I'm going to use here, I'm going to create here one const. I'll say here my to do app. Okay, I'm going to use here the filter function like this. So just close this. It is gonna return all the things also. So we will just say here return, and it will take at least one container div, or we can give the javascript, okay, JSX fragments as well. Okay, I'm gonna use here the container div. So I'll give the div, I'll give the class name also, container. Okay, container. I'll give the margin top 3, I'll give margin bottom 3 also. So close this div now, and this is it. Okay, so now first of all guys, we have to mount our react.js instance to our HTML part, to our Vue part as well. Okay, so I'm gonna do that now. Okay, and we all know how we are gonna do that. Okay, I'm gonna create here one const. I'll give the container. I'm gonna use here document dot get element by id, and I'm gonna provide here the id also, this id. Okay, root. So copy it from here and just paste it. I'll just create another const. So const, I'm gonna say here root. I'll just say here react dom dot create root. Okay, so just we have to give here this container as a parameter to this function. So paste it here. I'm gonna use now this root. Okay, so I'll just say here root dot render. Okay, root dot render. So guys, what to render guys? Of course our parent component. Okay, so copy this const my to do app. Okay, so paste it here and close this. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna create here few const also. I'll say here const, I'll give here header. Okay, I'll say here welcome to React.js classes with Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now I want to show this text on the browser. Okay, so guys, to do that, what we have to do, we all know. Okay, so I'm gonna do it now. So I'm gonna create here one div first. I'll give the class name also as a text center. I'll give here margin top 4, margin bottom also 4. I'll give close this div first, open this div, and inside this div I'm gonna create here one h element. Okay, so h1 element, close this, and I'll give the class name also as a h1 only. So give here open and closing braces. So copy this const header and just paste it here. So now save your file and open this with live server. Okay, so open it. You can see here guys, we can see here guys the heading also. Now welcome to React.js classes with Prabhat Pandit. Okay, which means guys, our coding, our React is doing great, and we have done each and everything right. Okay, so let me just copy this text from here only and just create here one subheader variable. So close this. I'll say here const. Okay, I'll say here subheader give equal to double quotes. So paste it here. So now just close it. So just copy this div now and paste it below here, and just copy this const subheader and just replace with this header. Okay, and make it h2 and h2. So say here class name also h2. Save your file, go to the browser and take a look in the browser. Okay, so guys, we can see here awesome React to do app with local storage. Okay, keep your tasks forever. Okay, so guys, this is what it means. Okay, and this is we are gonna learn and create also. Okay, I explained you the example very well. Okay, and I feel now you are excited and you are thrilled to learn it. Okay, so guys, just sit back, be relaxed, be calm, and guys try to learn something new, something awesome from this video, from this session. Okay guys, don't try to skip the video, don't try to fast forward the video, otherwise if you will miss something, you will miss each and everything from this video, from this session, and at the end you will lose your time, you will lose your energy, and you will just scratch your head that I didn't get anything from this video, from this session. And you will be very frustrated, you will be very tense that I wasted my 1.5 hour learning nothing. Okay, so guys, don't do that. Okay, be focused, be calm, and be relaxed, sit back and just watch this video. And guys, definitely guys, I have already promised you that you will definitely learn something, you will definitely gain something new, something unique, something awesome from this video, from this session, and you will be master in creating this kind of to-do app in React using local storage after watching this video, after having this session. Okay, so just sit back, be calm, and be focused, be relaxed, and watch something awesome, something cool. Okay, here. Okay, so now come to the code now. So guys, now guys, this is the one component and this is the second component. Okay guys, here we are going to create here two components, also two custom component we are going to create. So this form is one component and this task is another component. Okay, so we are going to create here two custom component also. If you don't know how to create the custom component in React.js, then please guys, I would like to request you to watch my previous videos on how to create the custom component in React.js. Okay guys, there I have explained each and everything in details, in depth as well, and you will become master, you will become a great master in creating the custom component in React.js. Okay, after watching this video, after watching this session. Okay, so just watch it and you will become master in creating the custom component, and you will know also what is props and how to pass the props and how to pass the props value also from child component to parent component. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna create here the first component and the second component. This form is the first component and this task is the second component. Okay, so let's just come to the code now, and I'm gonna create here the first component. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna import something from the React. I'll say here const. I'm gonna import here some hooks also. So useState. Okay, I'm gonna import here another hook which says useEffect. Okay, useEffect. Okay, so from where? From, of course, React. Okay, so guys, here we are gonna use here the to useEffect hook. Okay, I will explain you why. Okay, so now we have imported our hooks also, and now we are free to use this hook in our React code, in our React application. Okay, so now just create here one const. Okay, I'll say here form component. Okay, form component, click give equal to, I'm gonna use here the factor function. I like to use factor function to create the component in React. Okay, so it is gonna return all the things also. So I'll say here return like this. I'm gonna give here the one parent component which is form only. So create a tag form. Okay, so close this form. Okay, so give the class. Now I'll give here the class name as a my form only. I'll give here margin top 4 also. I'll give here margin bottom also 4. Okay, so now open this form, and inside this form I'm gonna create here one input element. Okay, so one input element I'm gonna create. So input, close this first. I'll give the type attribute as well. So type, I'm gonna give here text. Okay, so I'm gonna give the class name also. I'll say here form control. Okay, and padding 3 I'll give here also, padding 3. I'm gonna give you the placeholder also. So placeholder equal to, I'll say here please enter your okay to do task. Okay, to do task here. Okay, give 3 dots also. Okay, so now we will just guys pass here few props also. Okay, so first prop I'm gonna pass here the new. Okay, new to do. Okay, and second prop I'm gonna pass here set. Okay, set new. Okay, set new to do. Okay, so guys, now just copy this prop from here and I'll give here the value as okay. So I'll give you the value, okay, equal to this prop, okay, this new to do prop, okay. So this is the first prop and this is the second prop, okay. So now copy this second prop also, set new to do, and on change we are gonna call it, okay. So this is the state variable, guys, okay, and this will become the updater function or the setter function, okay. We will just create, guys, we will create this state variable as well, okay. That's why I have used here the hook, okay, useState and useEffect also, okay. So now on change equal to, we will give here this, okay, set new to do, and just like this. So I'm gonna pass here event object also. I'm gonna use here the fat arrow function, anonymous fat arrow function, like this, okay. So we will just say here event dot target dot value, okay. So guys, it means, okay, it means, guys, this input field only, okay. So guys, this event dot target dot value refer to this input field only, okay. Okay, we are talking about this input field only, okay. By saying event dot target dot value, which means we are referring to this input field only, okay. So guys, now this is it. I'm gonna create here one button also below this input field. So I'll say here button. So close this button very quickly. So let me just enclose this entire thing in a div, okay. Give the class name also. I'll say here form. So close this div very quickly, otherwise we will forget it. So we will just give here form, okay, form input, okay, or we can say here input group, okay. So we can say here input group, okay. This is it. So I'm gonna give the class name also to this button. I'll say here btn. I'll give here primary, okay. So give here the text also, add task, okay, add a task. So now this is it, okay. So guys, first of all, let me just create the state variables also. Okay, so come to the main component, which is my to do app, okay. So here I'm gonna create here state variable also. I'll say here const, okay, const, like this, square bracket, from use state, okay, use state. And as of now, just don't give anything, okay. So copy this prop value, because this is gonna become the state variable only. So paste it here and give comma, copy this set new to do setter function also and paste it here. So this is it, okay. So guys, now so we can see here we have defined our one component also, I'm sorry, which is form component, okay. So as of now, guys, we won't be able to see anything, okay. So save your file and have a look in the browser. You can see here we can't see anything because we have not called this form component in our main component, in our parent component. So guys, now I'm gonna do that only, okay. So copy this component name, form component, and just come to the parent component below this div, okay. I'm gonna just call it, okay, like this. So I'm gonna keep the all the props value also. You can see here this components takes two props also, new to do and set new to do. So copy this new to do prop, okay, and now they are gonna give the value, okay, to these props, okay, new to do and set to do, okay. So copy it and just paste it here, I'm sorry. So we will just give the value now like this, and just copy this state variable new to do only and give the value to this new to do prop, okay. So this is it. And now just copy this prop from here also. So set new to do and just come here, paste it here, give equal to, and now we will just give this updater function or the setter function of this state variable as a value to this, okay, to this set new to do. So paste it here. So guys, now just save your file and have a look in the browser. See, boom, guys, you can see here we got the form component here, which is the input field, and one button called add task, okay. And here is the placeholder. Please enter your to do task, okay. As of now nothing will happen, hit enter, you can see the form is being refreshed. Okay, you can see here the form is being refreshed. Okay, so this is the default behavior of this form. We are gonna stop this, we are gonna prevent this using the event object. Okay, using the event object. Okay, so guys, this submit, okay, this submit is an event. Okay guys, this submit of the form is an event. Okay, and it will must have one event object as well. Okay, so we are gonna use these. Okay, we are gonna use that event object to stop the default behavior of this form, which is gonna refresh the page, which is gonna take us to the new page, to the new URL. But we don't want this to be refreshed, to be taken to the new URL. So we have to prevent this, we have to stop this default behavior using the event object of this on submit method. Okay, so just copy, I mean just come to the code now, and now on submit we will just say here on submit. Okay, I'm just gonna say here like this. Okay, so I'll just say here on submit, we will just say here add to do. Okay, so this function I'm gonna pass here as a prop only. So give here this function I'm gonna pass as a prop only. So now just copy this. Okay, so you can see here now just copy this, and we have to give this a prop also a value in our main component, in our parent component. So copy it and paste it and give equal to open and closing braces, and just give this add to do prop, which is a function, which is a method, to this value only add to do. Okay, so we have to define this method now in our main component. So now we are gonna do it. Okay, to prevent the default behavior. So I'm gonna create here one const here, just paste it here, give equal to, and this will must have one event object, give equal to, I'm gonna use here the filter function. So close this, and now we will just say here this event dot prevent default. Close this and save. Now save your file, and now go to the browser, and now refresh the page. It is already refreshed. So now hit anything, hit enter, you can see we are still here, our page is not being refreshed, we are not being taken to the new URL. The page is now constant, it is not being refreshed now. Okay, so we have now achieved one functionality. So guys, now just come to the code now. So guys, whenever we are gonna add something, okay, add something, and we hit enter or we press the button add task, we are gonna add the task. Okay, in our to-do list app. Okay, how this is gonna happen, you can see task added now, add something, you can see here the same task here also added now. Okay, added something with the three buttons also, view task, edit task, and delete task. Okay guys, how this is gonna happen, so now we are gonna achieve it. Okay, so let me just show you something. So copy this new to do from here, and now we will just alert you something to give you the confidence, to give you the kick. Okay, so paste it here, save your file, and go to the browser and have a look, and put here something, hit enter. You can see here it is being alerted here in the normal JavaScript alert. Okay, so click OK. So we are getting each and everything whatever user is going to enter here. Okay, I'll say here hello. Okay, hello Prabhat, hit enter. You can see here we are getting the text also, hello Prabhat. Click OK. So now we are gonna create here another component, okay, which is this task component. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna create it. So come to the code now, and I'm gonna create here another custom component. So below this I'm gonna say here const. Okay, const, I'll say here add task component. Okay, component give equal to, I'm gonna use here the filter function again. So I like to use filter function only. So close this, I'm sorry. So it is gonna return all the things also. So return, and it is gonna take here one main container div, or we can give the JSX fragments also. So I'm gonna use here the UL element. Okay, UL tag. So UL, and just close this UL. I'm gonna give the class name also as a list group only. So open this UL now, and now guys, now we are gonna create here this component. So first of all I'm gonna create here one state variable. Okay, again one state variable, so I'll say here const. Okay, so const I'm gonna give here to do. Okay, to do's, and we'll just give here the setter function or the updater function as a set. Okay, to do's. Okay, equal to, I'll just give here user state. Okay, and now as of now guys, I'm gonna give the default value as well. Okay, so I'm gonna create here some array of objects. Okay, so I'm gonna create here some object also to give you the example only. Okay, we will just delete it. Okay, when our app is ready, when our app is okay, ready to be tested, ready to be hosted. Okay, so I'm gonna create here a few like object also. So I'll give the id as one. Okay, put comma, I'll give the text. Okay, as a learn. Okay, learn React.js. Okay, so guys, flight is going. Okay, so fighter jet is going on. Okay, so that's why this is the sound. Okay, this is the fighter jet. Okay, so just copy this and just give comma, paste it here, give the id to. Okay, we will just delete this. Okay, once our app is ready. Okay, so I'll just say here learn C++. Okay, so now this is it. Okay, so now we are gonna check here this to do. Okay, so just give this props here. Okay, so we will just give here this state variable to do's as a prop. Okay, so just give here prop, copy this, and just give here this. Okay, so as of now just let it be only one prop. Later on we will define the some more props also to this component add task component. Okay, so now we are gonna use here the react.js I mean conditional rendering. Okay guys, we are gonna now use here the react.js conditional rendering. Okay, so I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna say here, I'm gonna check this to do's length. Okay, I'm gonna check this to do's dot length. Okay, if it is equal to 0, which means there is nothing inside this. Okay, inside this to do's array of object. Okay, and if this is the case, we are gonna say this like this. Okay, and now we are gonna create here one like one, I mean we can say here one container div. Okay, so container div, give the class name also. I'll give you the text center. Okay, and give you a margin top 3 also. Close this div very quickly. And now okay guys, if this is the case, okay guys, if this condition is true, okay guys, it says if this condition is true, then show the right hand side value. Okay, if this condition is false, then this right hand side value won't be shown on the browser to the user. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna create here one img element also. So img, I'll give the src equal to assets equal images slash images, and I'm gonna copy the images name from the example only. So copy this image name from here and just paste it here, and I'm gonna close this img tag first, and I'll give here the alt attribute also. So I'll say here react image. Okay, or we can say here react error image. Okay, which is very meaningful. Okay, I'm gonna give here the class name also. I'll give the class name as a img fluid. I'll give the width 50%. Okay, and this is it. Okay, so now I'm gonna, below this img, I'm gonna create here one h2 element. Okay, h2, I'll give the class name also as a h2 only. I'll give the text also here that I'll just say here no to do found. Okay, please, okay, add some tasks. Okay, please add some tasks. Okay, so save your code now, and as of now we won't be able to see anything because we have to call, okay, we have to call this child component or the custom component in our parent component as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna do that here. So close this component, and you can see here we have given here one prop also to this custom component, add task component. So copy this prop from here, and we have to give this prop value now. So just come to the parent component and just paste it here, give equal to open and closing braces, give little bit of space. I like to give a space also. So now we have to give this state variable to do's only as a value, okay, to this to do's prop. Okay, so save here and save your file and have a look in the browser first how it looks like. So now you can see here we can't see anything. So because this to do's contains something, you can see here it has got one element, it has got two element. Okay, and we are checking here if this condition is false. Okay, if this condition is false, then only the right hand side value will be shown. Okay, then only the right hand side value will be shown, otherwise it won't be shown. Okay, so now to see this image or this text, no to do found, please add some task. Okay, we are gonna remove it. Okay, we are gonna remove it. Okay, so now just save your file and have a look in the browser. So see, boom guys, you can see here no to do found, please add some task. Okay, so guys, you can see here the moment we have removed, okay, the element from this to do's state variable, we can see the right hand side value or the code. Okay, because this condition is now true. Okay, because this condition is now true, it says to do's dot length equal to 0, which means it is actually 0. We can see here we don't have anything here in the to do's state variable, so this condition satisfies. Okay, this condition satisfied, so we can see the image and we can see the text also, no to do found, please add some task. So save a file, have a look in the browser, you can see the image and no to do found. Okay, please add some task. Okay, so just revert the code first. So revert it. So now just save your file and go to the browser, and now guys we are gonna fetch. Okay, we are gonna fetch this task also. So we are gonna fetch the default task also. So come to the code now and we will just fetch it. Okay, so we will just fetch. Okay, the first task is learn React.js and the second task is learn C++. We are gonna fetch it and we are gonna show it. Okay, so now I'm gonna create here another open and closing braces. So now we will just say here, okay, these to do's. Okay, so copy it from here and just paste it. We will just say here I'm gonna use here the map method, okay, to loop through this state variable array of object. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna use here the map method to loop through this state variable to do's. Okay, it contains one element and the this is the second element. Okay, so I'm gonna use here the map method, and this map method, this map function take at least one necessary callback function, and that callback function will take at least necessary parameter. Okay, so I'm gonna give here the to do only to do. Okay, so now we will just say here I'm gonna use here the filter function like this. Okay, so just open this and I'm gonna use here the li element. Okay, so li and close this li. I'm gonna use here the span element also. So span, close this span very quickly, and now I'm gonna give here the key attribute also. So just like this. Okay, so to do dot, you can see here we have got here two element here, the two property also. The first property is id and the second property is text. Okay, here also the first property is id and the second property is text. Okay, which is learn C++. Okay, so come to the code now and I will give here the id. So key should be unique, so that's why I have given here to do dot id. So guys, now this to do, okay guys, this to do is gonna loop through all the elements. Okay, all the elements inside this to do's state variable, which is a object. Okay, which is a object now. Okay, and this to do is gonna loop through all these, okay, state variable to do's, which is now an object. It contains some elements also. This is the first element and this is the second element. Okay, so come to the code now, and I'll give here the class name also. I'll say here deflex justify content between. I'll give here the align item center also. I'll give here the p3 also. I'll give here fade, okay, fade in. Okay, so now just now we will just show the text value also, like learn react, learn c++. So we have to copy this to do and just say here open and closing braces, paste it and say here dot text. Okay, so guys, now as of now just save your file and have a look in the browser. Boom guys, you can see here learn react.js and learn c++, but we can't see. Okay, so we have to give here one more class. I'm gonna give here one more class. So list item group. Okay, save your file, go to the browser and have a look. Boom guys, you can see here now the text is, now the task is shown here, learn react.js and learn c++. Okay, like here. Okay, but this is dynamically created. Okay, this task have been created dynamically, but we are fetching the default task. Okay, we will remove this, we will delete this task. Okay, once our app is ready, once our application is ready. Okay, so now just come to the code now. So we have to give the button also, these three button, which is view task, edit task and delete task on each and every task item. Okay, like here we can see on each and every task item we have got these three buttons. Okay, so come to the code now. So in the li only, I'm gonna create here one div. Okay, I'll give the class name also. So first close this div, otherwise I'll forget it. I'll give the btn container. Okay, so I'm gonna create here button also. So button, close this button very quickly and copy this button and paste it couple of times. So paste it here. So now I'm gonna give the text first. I'll say here view. Okay, view task. Okay, view task. I will say here edit task. Okay, edit task. I'll say here delete task. Okay, this is it. I'm gonna give the class name also to these buttons. Okay, so class name I'll give here btn. I'll give here btn info. Okay, btn info, and we can give here margin. Okay, 2 also. So copy this class from here and paste it, and we will just change something only. It will save a lot of time also. I'll say here btn. I'll give here btn warning. Okay, warning, and I'll just give here btn danger. Okay, so btn danger. So remove one btn. Okay, so guys, now just save your file and have a look in the browser. So you can see, boom guys, you can see here now these three buttons are there on each and every task item, on each and every to-do list item as well. Okay, this is the what we have created, and this is the example. Here also we can see these three buttons, and now here also we can see these three buttons. Okay, so now I'm gonna provide the icons also. Okay, so come to the code now, and I'm gonna give the icons also. So I'll just say here let me just see one thing. Okay, it is in the right hand side. Okay, so just I'm gonna create here I. So close this I, and I'm gonna give the class name also. I'll say here fafa I. Okay, give the area hidden also. Area hidden, I'll give here true. Okay, so now just copy this I element from here and just paste it here also. Paste it here and say here fafa pencil. Paste it here also. I'm sorry, and say here fafa trash. Okay, so save your file and now go to the browser and have a look now. See, it looks cool now. Okay, so guys, let me just add one more task here. Okay, by the code only, we will just make it dynamic. Don't worry, we will make it, guys, each and everything dynamic. Okay, nothing is static, nothing is hard coded. Okay, save your file, go to the browser and see learn C++. I'll say here learn Angular. Okay, Angular, save your file and you can see here learn Angular, and here also we can see three buttons also: view task, edit task, and delete task. Okay, so guys, now first of all I'm gonna create the function to add the task. Okay, so you can see here add task. Okay, so hit enter. You can see task added now. So guys, now we are gonna create this function to add the task. Okay, so come to the code now. As of now, whatever you will enter here and hit enter. Okay, you can see here it is gonna alert you in the normal JavaScript. Okay, alert. Okay, pop up. Okay, so click OK. So now I'm gonna write the function now. So I'm gonna create here one method on this view task. Okay, so I'll create here first view task and say here on click. Okay, I'm gonna create here one method. I'm gonna give here the I'm gonna create here the the anonymous filter function like this, and just give the class name also or the method name also. I'll say here view. Okay, view task. Okay, and I'm gonna I'm gonna pass this entire to do object to this task method. Okay, so now let me just copy this method name from here, and let me just give here this method name as a to do the prop only. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna pass this method. Okay guys, we are gonna pass this method or the function as a prop. Okay, you can see here we have passed this method or the function view task as a prop. You can see here. So now just copy this prop view task, and we will just come here to the main component, and we will just say here view task, and we will just give the value now as a view task only. So now we have to define this view task method or function in our parent component. Okay, so copy this view task, and now I'm gonna define it here. I'll say here const like this. I'm gonna use the filter function. So, and now you can see here guys, it is gonna it is taking here one to do entire to do object also. So we will copy this to do object also from here, and we will just pass it here. Okay, not entire thing, only to do. Okay, so copy this and just paste it here. So paste it here. So now let me just alert you. Okay, something in the normal alert first. Okay, so I'll say here to do dot text. Okay, to show the text value like learn React. Okay, learn C++, learn Angular. Okay, so save your file, go to the browser, and now have a look in the we got the issue. So to do dot text. So view task, let me just check what is the issue. On click. Okay, click click view task. Okay, to do. So let me just go to the console. Okay, so go to the console and go to here. It says view task is not defined. It says here okay, I must have forgot to give here. Okay, view task, says here view task is not defined. So const so on click view task to do. View task const, close this. Okay, so okay, so now it's here. So refresh the page. Okay, so now guys, hit the button view task. You can see here it is gonna alert you learn React.js. Click OK. View this task also. Learn C++. Click OK. View this task also. Learn Angular. So hit the button view task. You can see here it is gonna alert you learn Angular. Click OK. So let me just check one more thing here in the console. What is the issue here? It says here key should be unique. Okay, it is saying key should be unique. Okay, you can see the guys here error key 2. Okay, it should be, it says here key should be unique. Okay, so let me just make it here. Okay, 3, this id make it 3. So save your file now, and now it's gone, no error is there. Okay, so it's now cleaned. Okay, so just close this view task. Okay, so this is gonna alert you, okay, in the normal alert, but I want here this sweet alert. Okay, like the example, hit the button view task, you can see task details, fix your mobile. Okay, so click OK. So now I am gonna implement this. Okay, so come to the code now, and inside this, okay, remove this. I'm gonna use here the sweet alert 2. Okay, so I'll just say here, first of all I'm gonna create this function now. So I'll just say here sol dot fire. Okay, close this, and now we will just give here the title. Okay, title, and just put comma. We will just give here title as a task details. Okay, task details. Okay, so now I'll give the icon also, so it is a success, so I'll give the success icon, success, put comma. I'll give the HTML also, so HTML colon, and I'll use here the backtick. Okay, so just give here comma. I'll just say here I'm gonna create here h2 element. Okay, so close this h2 very quickly. I'm gonna use here the string literal, so I'll just say here this to do. Okay, this to do dot text. Okay, dot text. Okay, so now just save your file, go to the browser, and now have a look in the browser, hit the button view task. See, boom guys, you can see here like task details. Okay, learn React, click OK. View task, task details, learn C++, click OK. View task, learn Angular, click OK. Like here, this is the example. Okay, so this is it. So icon is not shown guys, why? What is the okay, the spelling is wrong. Okay, so now it is a success. Save your file, go to the browser, and now hit the button view task. See, success, task details. Okay, let me just put here corner also, give space. Okay, so now view task, task details, learn C++, click OK. View task, okay, task details, learn Angular, click OK. So if we want, we can change the button color also. So I'll say here confirm. Okay, confirm button color, I'll give here the green. Okay, we can give here green, any color. Okay, so save your file, go to the browser, and now have a look in the browser. View task, you can see here now the button color is green. Click OK. View task, okay, view task, click OK. So guys, now I'm gonna first of all guys, let me just check. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna check here that if something is already in the local storage or not. Okay, so guys, we are gonna now check if there is already some to-do task in the local storage. Okay, if guys this is the case, okay, we are gonna fetch it when our page will load first, when our React.js component will be mounted for the first time, then we are gonna fetch it from the local storage. If there is something in the local storage, and then we will show it to the user. If user has already saved some task, if user have already some to do task, then we will just fetch it from the local storage, and we will just show it when the page will reload, when the component will mount for the first time. Okay, so for that we are gonna use here to useEffect method, or the useEffect hook. Okay, so guys, now to achieve this functionality, to achieve this feature, we are gonna use here to useEffect hook in our this application, in our this app. Okay, like I told you, I explained you why we are gonna do that. Okay, so come to the code now, and now in the parent component only here, I'm gonna use here the to useEffect hook. Okay, so I'm gonna create here the first useEffect hook. Okay, I'll use here the filter function like this, like this. Okay, and give comma, and now here I'm gonna pass here the empty dependency array. Okay, so let me just write the comment here. So I'm gonna write the comment here. So I'll just say here load, okay, load to do's, okay, from the local storage, okay, local storage, if something, if something is there already, okay, already in the to do task. Okay, so guys, it says, guys, okay, it says that if user has already added some to do task, okay, previously, before closing the application, before closing the page. Okay, if guys this is the case, then we will just fetch it from the local storage. Okay, whenever user will open this page, whenever user will open this application next time, then we will just load the previously added task. We will just load the old task, okay, from the local storage, and we will just show it to the user on the screen. Okay, so guys, this is what we are gonna achieve using this useEffect hook. Okay, I just written here the comment also. I hope this will help you. Okay, so now to do that, I'm gonna check here. I'm gonna use here the try catch method. Okay, so I'm gonna use here the try catch method. So I'll just say here catch also. So catch, it is gonna catch the error. So I will just pass here the error object also. So just open this, and inside this try block, I'm gonna try it. Okay, I'm gonna test it. Okay, I'm gonna say here const. Okay, I'll just say here saved to do's. Okay, if something is there in the local storage, we will just fetch it and we will just show it to the user once, okay, the application will be opened, when the page will be reloaded. Okay, when the page will be reopened, then if something is there in the local storage which user has saved, okay, previously in their machine, in their application, we will just load it from the local storage, and we will just show it to the user once our component is mounted, when the page is reload. Okay, once the page is reloaded. Okay, so we are gonna do it now. So I'll just say here json, okay, dot parse. Okay, so we will just say here local storage dot, okay, get item. Okay, and the item is associated with the key to do's. Okay, to do's. Okay, so this is the key. Okay, this is the key, and the value we will provide later on. So local storage is a mechanism of key value pair. Okay, guys, always remember, local storage is a mechanism of key and value pair. Okay, so guys, to fetch the value, to retrieve the value from the local storage which we have stored, okay, to achieve it, to retrieve it, to get it back, okay, the value from the local storage, we have to provide the key. Okay, we have to give the key, we have to provide the key. Okay, and the value which will be associated with this key to do's, we will be able to fetch it, and we will be able to show it to the user. Okay, I hope I am clear. Okay, if guys there is nothing in the local storage already, we will just store there a empty array. Okay, so if this is the case, if there is nothing in the local storage, okay, we will just store there an empty array. Okay, so now we are gonna just say here, so we are gonna just say here set. Okay, this set to do's. Okay, so copy this setter function set to do's from here, and we will just update this, okay, to do's, okay, using this setter method set to do, and we will just pass this saved to do's, okay, to update this to do's, okay, which is already in the local storage, if it is the case. Okay, so now just paste it, close this. Okay, so now in the catch block, we are gonna catch the error, we are gonna catch the like, what can I say, thief. Okay, error is the thief. Okay, so we are gonna catch it. So now we are gonna say here console dot log, and we will just say here error. Okay, error okay, error loading to do's, okay, from local storage. Give the error object also. So we will just copy this error and just paste it here. If we want, we can show the message only by saying error dot message, okay, but let me just show you the all the entire error only. So now this is done, okay. I showed you, I explained you many times why we are gonna use this use effect here, okay. I have written the comment also. I hope it will help you whenever you will watch this video to master, to become, you know, great to-dos application developer using React.js, okay. So guys, now I am gonna use here another use effect, okay. So copy this, below this I'm gonna use here another use effect. So I will just say here I'm gonna use here the fat order function only. So like this and colon, and now here this time I want to use here this, okay, dependency array, okay. So this time guys I want to use this empty dependency array. Rather I am gonna give this to do's, okay, state variable as a value to this dependency array. So paste it here, okay. I hope this will help, okay. So guys, the moment this to do's state variable, okay, the moment guys, the moment this to do's state variable will change or will modify or will made any changes by the user, okay, by the user, this, okay, this use effect will run. This use effect will execute every time, okay guys. This use effect will execute every time. This use effect will run every time. The moment these to-dos will be changed, it will be deleted, it will be modified, it will be updated, it will be, you know, made changes. The moment anything will happen to this to-dos state variable, okay, this use effect, okay, this second use effect gonna run, gonna execute every time. Every time this to-dos will change, because I have given here the to-dos, okay, as a dependency array value, okay. So now just write the comment also for here, it will help you. So I'll just say here save to-dos, okay, save to-dos, okay, to the local storage, okay, whenever any, okay, anything happen to 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 do's state variable, okay. I hope guys you are getting this comment, okay. I explained you, okay guys. If anything will happen, okay, anything will happen this to this to do's, okay, state variable like update, delete, modification, changes, okay, it will execute this second use effect, okay. So here we have used here to use effect. I explained you for the first use effect, and I have also explained you for the second use effect as well, and that too in details as well, okay. So now so here we have given here the to do's. Let me just write the comment also. To do's is the value of the dependency array, okay. I hope I'm clear, okay. So now inside this second to do, I'm gonna say here that I'm gonna say here local storage dot set item, okay, local storage dot set item. And you can see here we have given here the key also as a to do's. So copy this key from here, and now we will give the value also. I told you it is a mechanism of key value pair. So guys, local storage is a mechanism of key value pair. So we have to store there something by providing the key only, okay, and it will be stored as a JSON object or the string, okay. So we will just say here JSON dot stringify. Okay, json dot stringify. Guys, what to stringify? We have to stringify this to dos only. So copy this and just paste it here. So not in uh, what is happening, guys? So copy this to dos from here and just paste it here. So this is it. Okay, so guys, we are done with the useEffect hooks. Okay guys, we are done with the useEffect hooks now, and I explained you. Let me just give you some space here. Okay, so guys, now this is it. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna create here uh, the function to add to dos. Okay, like this. Okay, so we are gonna create here now this function. So come to the code now, and now just come to the component. Okay, the second component. So now we are gonna copy. Okay, so add to do. So now just come to the code now here, this add to do. So now just remove this, we don't need this alert. Okay, so now guys, we are gonna create this function add to do. Okay, so guys, now just pay attention and be very calm, be very patient. Okay, because they are gonna learn the now very important, very crucial part of this video, of this sessions. Okay, so now we will just say here, I'm gonna say here if. Okay, if okay, new to do, this is the input field value. Okay, I showed you, this is the input field value, new to do. Okay, so copy this and just say here new to do dot, I'll just say here trim. Okay, so I'm gonna trim the white spaces. Okay, from the left hand side. Okay, if it is blank or empty. Okay, if it is blank or empty, so we will just use here the alert. Okay, SweetAlert to alert the user. Okay, I'll say here sol dot fire, so close this and just say here first return. Okay, we don't want to proceed ahead. Okay, we don't want to move ahead, we don't want to proceed ahead. Okay, once we will find that there is nothing in the input field. Okay, let me just have a look in the browser. So guys, we will just find it. Okay, if there is nothing in the input field, we will stop there. Okay, we will just stop there, we will just pause there only, and we won't move further, we won't proceed ahead. Okay, so that's why I have given here return. Okay, so we will just say here that I'll give here icon, I'll give here icon of error. Okay, icon of error to show the error, put comma. I'll just say here title, I'll just say here oops. Okay, so oops, I'll just give here the text also, a colon. I'll just give here please. Okay, please enter valid. Okay, to do task. Okay, so guys, now this is it. Okay, so save your file and have a look in the browser first. Okay, so try to hit enter. You can see, boom guys, you can see here we got the alert, oops, please enter a valid to do task. Okay, so click now OK to dismiss this pop-up. So now hit enter again. You can see here, oops, please enter a valid to do task. Okay, so guys, now suppose user has entered some valid to do, then we will just add this task to the to do list item or the task. Okay, so just come to the code now, and now after this return, okay, or after this if block, okay, we are gonna say here, I'm gonna create here one const. Okay, I'll just say here new task. Okay, new task, I'll just say here equal to, I'm gonna create here one object. Okay, with the property id. You can see here we have got here the property id and the text. Okay, so in the same format guys, okay, in the same format we are gonna create it. Okay, in the same format we are gonna create it. So now come here, so I'll use here the id. For the id, I'll use here the date dot. Okay, so I'm gonna use here the date dot now method. Okay, to create the unique id Okay, every time user will save something, some to do task, some to do list in the to do app. Okay, and for the text guys, okay, for the this text, what we will say here, we will just say here this, okay, this new to do, because everything we are fetching from this input field through this new to do only. Okay, so copy this new to do from here only, and just say like this. Okay, so now this is it. Okay, so now we will just copy this set to do method from here, and we will just update this. Okay, we will just update this id, this object. Okay, user is gonna create, user is gonna delete, user is gonna modify. Okay, so just copy this set to do's state variable or the setter function from here, and just come to the code now. So now we will just say here this. Okay, so now we will just create here open and closing square bracket, and now we will just copy this old to do's. Okay, we are going to use here the spread operator. Okay, we are going to use here the spread operator. We will give here 3 dots. Okay, like this to do's, and we are going to append it. Okay, we are going to append the new task. Okay, new to do item or the new task also to our okay, to our this to do's state variable or the task. Okay, okay, this is it. Okay, so now copy this set new to do, and we will just empty the okay, as of now just save your file. Okay, so save your file and have the okay, so have a look in the browser. So it is already refresh one more time and see it is already here. Okay, because we are fetching each and everything from the local storage. Okay, okay, and it is already here, learn React.js, learn C++, learn Angular. Okay, so now let me just add something also. I'll say here hello React developers, hit enter. See, boom guys, you can see here hello React.js developers is now added, but we can't see any alert. Okay, saying your task has been added. Okay, you can see here task added. Now every time we will add a new task, it will show the alert also saying task added now. So I'm gonna achieve it also, and now you can see here the input field is now on not blank, not empty. So we have to make it empty or the blank also the moment user will hit enter to add the task. Okay, like here you can see here it will be empty. Okay, hit enter, you can see task added, this task. Okay, and you can see here now the input field is free to be added the new task. Okay, so we will achieve the same functionality here also. So come to the code now. So copy this set new to do setter function, and just here we will just here set it to blank. Okay, so save your file, go to the browser and have a look, and just paste something here, put something here, hit enter. You can see here it is added now here, and now the input field is blank. 5, hit enter. You can see 5 is not added. Okay, and you can see here the input field is now blank. Okay, we can see the task also I showed you. Okay, see task is now we can see here. So now our view task button is now working and is fully functional. Okay, fully fine. Okay, so now we will just add the functionality to this button edit task. Okay, to this button edit task. Okay, so come to the code now. First of all I have to show the alert also to the user that task has been added. Okay, see we can't see any alert, but the task is now being added. The task is now being added to the to-do list app. Okay, but we can't see any alert. Okay, you can see we can't see any alert, but the task is now being added. Okay, in the to-do app. Okay, so we have to show the alert also saying that your task has been updated. Okay, so now I'm gonna say here sol. Okay, so I'll say here sol dot fire. Okay, so now just close this. We will just say here title. I'll say here let me just see what is written in the comment. Okay, in the example you can see task details. Okay, so task details. Okay, so I'll say here task details. Okay, task details comma, I'll give the icon of success because it is a success. So task has been added successfully, so it is a success. Okay, so icon of success, I'll give the text also. I'll just show the text, okay, to the user. Okay, so I'll use here the backtick to use the string literal. Okay, I'll use here the dollar, and we will just copy this. Okay, this new task. Okay, this new task. Okay, this new task. Okay, dot text to show the text value like learn React, learn C++, learn Angular, so on and so forth. Okay, okay, so you can see guys here we have got only three tasks. Okay, the default task is only three tasks. Okay, you can see guys the default task is only three tasks, but we have got here so many tasks. Okay, you can see here we have got here so many tasks. Okay, why and how? Because we are saving each and everything in the local storage, and we are fetching each and everything from the local storage also, and we are showing it here also. Okay, you can see here we have got the default task is only three. Okay, default task is only three, but we are saving each and everything to the local storage using these these two useEffect methods. Okay, and we are fetching it from the local storage also using the useEffect hook only, and that's why we can see here so many tasks, but we have got only three default tasks. And how we can show these many tasks? Because we are fetching the we are accessing the local storage and fetching each and everything from there, and we are showing it to the user also. Okay, so guys, now just hit put something. I'll say here now we can see the sweet alert also. Hit enter. See, boom guys, you can see here task details. Now we can see the sweet alert also. Click OK. So now we can see the like alert also whenever we are gonna add the task. Okay, so click OK. Task details added. Okay, click OK. So guys, now we are gonna implement the edit functionality. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna implement the edit task functionality now. Okay, so come to the code. Now we have to write here one function also. We have to create here one method also. Okay, to make this button edit task functional. Okay, so come to the code now. So in the second component only, we are gonna copy this method name from here and just paste it here. We will just say here edit. Okay, edit task, and now we will just give here the dot id also, and we will just give here the to do. Okay, to do dot text also. Okay, to show the text. Okay, so we are here guys, here we are passing the id as well as the text also. Okay, from this edit task function or the method. Okay, okay, so just copy this method name from here and just give here this method name or the function as a prop. Okay, so guys, we are gonna pass this edit task function or the method as a prop. Okay, as a prop value. Okay, as a prop to this add task component, and now we will just give this edit task prop the value also in our main component. Okay, so copy this prop edit task. It is a method. Okay, we have passed. Okay, we have passed this edit task as a method, as a function, as a prop. Okay, so copy this edit task prop from here. We will give the value now. So come to the code main component. So paste it here. Give equal to open and closing braces. Give this also. So now copy this edit task, and now here. Okay, in below this view task only, I'm gonna create it. I'll say here const this. Okay, give equal to, I'm gonna use here the filter function only, and now just say this, and now we can see guys here we have passed here the id also and the text also. Okay, so we are gonna achieve we are gonna fetch it also. We are gonna fetch the id and we are gonna fetch the text also. Okay, so come to the code now, and we will just say here ig comma, I'll just say here current text. Okay, so let me just alert it one more time to the user, to you only. I'll say here alert in the normal javascript alert only. I'll just pass this current text. Okay, so save your file, and now just put something, hit enter. Okay, task added, click OK, and now we can view just hit the button added task. Okay, you can see here this is the task. Okay, we are gonna add it now. Okay, so click OK, and now come to the code very quickly. We are gonna define this method added task. Okay, okay, so guys, now let me just open the SweetAlert 2 URL very quickly. Okay, hit enter. Okay, so guys, since I'm constantly speaking, so let me just breathe for 2-3 seconds. Okay, okay, so now continue. Okay, so guys, here hit the button added task. Okay, so guys, here we can see here we are fetching each and everything in the SweetAlert to pop up only in the input field. Okay, you can see here this is the input field only. Hit the button save. Okay, you can see here you need to give to do task. Okay, so we can't save blank task or the empty string. Okay, we have to provide here some task. Okay, so learn javascript 4.4, hit enter. Okay, so updated, your task has been updated. Okay, so we are guys fetching each and everything in the SweetAlert to pop up only in the input field. Okay, so we are gonna do the same thing here also in our code also. Okay, so just come to the SweetAlert 2. So come to the input type. Okay, so come here, input type. You can see here try me. You can see here enter your IP address. Okay, so your IP address is, so just remove this and try to hit OK. You can see here you need to write something here, then only you will be able to click OK. Okay, so click OK. Now you can see here your IP address is now this. Okay, so guys, we are gonna use here this. Okay, you can see here this input colon text. Okay, it says guys, okay, the input is of type text. Okay, the input is of type text. Okay, and you can see here input validator, it is gonna give you the value. Okay, this input validator is gonna give you the value, and using this input value we are gonna check here also that if there is something in this input field or not. Okay, you can see here we can show the alert also by checking that if there is something into the input field or not. Okay, if there is something into the input field, we will just save it, otherwise we will just alert the user. Okay, so hit enter or save. Updated, your task has been updated. Okay, so now we are gonna do the same thing here also. So come to the code now, so just remove this, we don't require this. Okay, so now we will just say here title colon, I'll just say here edit your task. Okay, edit your task and give comma, hit enter. I'll give here the input. Okay, input, I'm sorry, input colon, I'll give here the text I showed you. So let me just show you one more time. You can see here this input. Okay, you can see here this input is of type text. Okay, so just come here and now just okay, so just cut this out. We have to give the inside the sol alert. Okay, sol.fire. Okay, so like this, close this, and now just paste it here. Okay, so input type text, so title is edit your task. Okay, so now we will just give here input. Okay, input validator also, so input validator, put colon, and it is a function or the method. We will just give here value. Okay, value, I'm gonna use here the filter function like this. Okay, so open and closing braces, and now we will just check it. Okay, we will just check it using the if method or the condition. Okay, we will just say here does not input. Okay, does not input dot okay trim. Okay, we are gonna trim the white spaces from the left hand side of the left and right hand side of the text, okay, or the string, okay, or the value. Okay, so value, okay, if it is blank or empty, so we will just return here the things also. Okay, we'll just say here return, okay, return like this. We will just say here, so close this, we will just say here please, okay, or we will just say here you, okay, you need to uh, give, okay, you need to give, okay, valid to do task here. Okay, capital H here. Okay, so give this. Okay, so now this is it. Okay, so now guys, if guys, if just save your file and have a look in the browser first, how it is gonna behave. Okay, so hit enter, save task save. Okay, so now hit the button edit task. Okay, you can see here as of now, just hit OK. You can see here you need to give a valid to do task here. Okay, so you can see guys, our validation is working fine. Okay, we can't save the blank or the empty string as a task. Okay, we have to give here a valid to do task. Okay, then only we will be able to save it, okay, in our to do app. Okay, so click OK. So now as of now we can't do anything. So now just come to the code now. So now below this, okay, so it is gonna give here guys the one promise also. It is gonna give here one promise also. Let me just show you. So come to the code here, you can see here it is gonna give you one promise also. Okay, in the then method. Okay, I showed you many times also. Let me just show you this time also. Okay, so in the, you can see here in the then method, it is gonna give you one result. Okay, in the then method, it is gonna give you one result. Okay, so we are gonna use this then method and this result, okay, to check, okay, if user has pressed the OK button, if user has pressed the cancel button. Okay guys, using this dot then result factor function or the method, we are gonna check here that if user has pressed the confirm button, or if user has pressed the cancel button. Okay, using this dot then method. Okay, so come to the code now. Okay guys, I'm very sorry for my slip of tongue. Okay, because you can see guys, since I'm constantly speaking, so sometime, okay, I just, okay, it is guys just a slip of tongue. Okay, nothing else. Okay, okay, I hope you will get me and you guys can understand as well. Okay, because I'm constantly speaking since 1.5 hours, so sometime it might happen. Okay, slip of tongue might happen. Okay, it is quite normal, it is quite, okay, natural as well. Okay, so I hope you will understand. Okay, so now we will just say here dot then, okay, and it is gonna give you the result also. I showed you result. So now we are gonna use here the factor function. So factor function, okay, like this. Okay, so now just close this, and now we will just check, okay, if user has pressed the cancel button or the save button or the OK button. Okay, we are gonna check it now. So we will just say here result. Okay, this result, okay guys, this result, let me just show you one more time. Go to the URL first. You can see here result dot is confirmed is gonna check that OK button is pressed. Okay, and result dot dismiss gonna check if dismiss button have been pressed. Okay, so we are gonna do that now. Okay, so come to the code now, and we will just say here result dot is confirmed. Okay, is confirmed. Okay, if this is the case, and we will just check here another condition. Okay, we will make it more and more robust, okay, and dynamic. Okay, and error handling application as well. Okay, so result dot, we will just say here value, result dot value dot trim. Okay, trim. Okay, means it contains something. Okay, it contains something, and this input field contains something, and it is not a blank or the empty string. Okay, if this is the case, if okay, so we will just say here, we will just say here, okay, set, we will just say here set to do's. Okay, so copy this updater function. Okay, set to do's from here, and just come here, so paste it here. We will just say here that, okay, we will just say here that, okay, we are gonna use here the filter function, and we are gonna check, okay, all the previous value. We are gonna check the stale value, which means all the previous value or the old value. Okay, we are gonna check. Okay, so we are gonna say here we are gonna say here prev. Okay, prev to do's. Okay, prev to do's. I'm gonna use here the filter function like this. Okay, and now we will just say here, just open this. I'm sorry guys, okay, for the call. I'm very sorry, my sister is calling. Okay, so let me just guys disconnect this. Okay, so I'm very sorry guys. Okay, I'm very sorry, so for the disturbance. Okay, I'm very sorry for it. Okay, so now we will just say here just open this, and now we will just say here that, okay, we will just use this previous to do's value. Okay, so now to loop through it, so now we will just say here okay, so now we'll just say here dot map method I'm going to use here, dot map. Okay, to do. Okay, so we'll just say here to do, to do. Okay, again I'm going to use here the fat order function. Okay, so like this. So now open this, and we will just say here this to do I'm gonna check it. Okay, this to do I'm gonna check it, so we will just say here to do. Okay, so to do dot I'm gonna check here with the id equal to with this id. Okay, equal to with this provided id. Okay, so now we will just say here, if this is the case, we will just say here I'm gonna say here I'm gonna append all the previously used or the stored to do's. Okay, so copy this, remove this one dot and paste it here, and now we will just create here another property with the old properties as well. Okay, and we will just update with the newly added task or the added task. Okay, so now we will just say here this text. Okay, this text property. Okay, this text property, this text property, this text property, and now we will just say here that colon, we will give here colon. Okay, we will just say here this result. Okay, this result dot, we will just say here value. Okay, value dot trim. Okay, to remove the white space. Okay, if this is the case, if this is not the case, if guys, okay, if this condition fails. Okay, if this condition fails, okay, we will just show here the entire things. Okay, as it is. Okay, as it is. Okay, which means there is no any change, there is no any modifications. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now this is it. Okay, so if this is the case, okay, so okay, so now after like updation, okay, after the like edit, okay, or the updation, we will just show the alert also to the user. Okay, to the user. So I'll just say here, I'll just say here sol sol dot fire. Okay, sol dot fire, and just close this, and we will just say here, okay, we will just say here uh, title colon, we will just say here updated. Okay, so I'll just say here task updated. Okay, it is good, task updated. Okay, put comma, we will just say here text colon, we will just say here your, okay, your task has been updated successfully. Put comma, give here icon also of I'll give here success icon because it is a success now. Put comma, I'll give here the timer also, timer of 1.5 seconds. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now this is it. I'll just give here show, okay, show confirm button, okay, also as a give you a false. Okay, so now just guys, now our code is now ready to be tested. Okay, this added method is now ready to be tested. Okay, I hope finger crossed and everything is okay, everything is fine. Okay, so just save your file, have a look in the browser now, and just we got the issue, so it will be issue here only. So let me just remove one. Okay, so let me just check in the browser. So I hope we have to connect now, so just connect it. Okay, so just connect it. Save your file, and now it's boom, we are back. Okay, so the issue was for the with the internet connection only. So now just hit the button added task. You can see it is here, but we can't fetch the previously added task. Okay, so we have to fetch it, previously added task also. Okay, so we have to fetch it now. So we have to fetch it this previously added task only. So let me just check what is the issue with the added so input validator. Okay, let me just check guys. Added task, give here the we can give here, okay, we can give here input value also. So we have to put here input value as a this current text. Okay, so just save it here, and now put comma, now save your file and go to the browser, and now hit the button edit task. Okay, you can see here we got the task now. The old task also is now here. Put one, hit enter. You can see here as of now it is not being updated. Okay, it is not being updated, but we can fetch the old task. Okay, edit task, you can see launch C++, we are fetching the old task, we are retrieving the old task as well now. Okay, but we can't edit it as of now. Put here to hit enter. So now our task is not being updated. So let me just check here. So now what is the issue? So input current text. Okay, input validator. So input validator. Okay, so value. Okay, so value dot trim, you need to give a value to do task dot then. So dot then, and now if result dot, okay, if result dot is confirmed. Okay, confirmed, let me just check the spelling. Okay, is confirmed, and result dot value dot trim. Okay, so set to do's. Okay, previous to do's. Okay, so we are calling here, we are running here filter method. Okay, so previous to do's dot map. Okay, so previous to do's dot map. Okay, if to do's dot id equal to this provided id. Okay, this provided id. So we will just use here the old value. We are going to use here the spread operator. Okay, so to append, okay, the old text, the old value, the old to do task, okay, and text result dot value dot trim, okay. If this is the case, if then we will, if this condition will return true, we will just return this value. If it is not, we will just return this to do's, okay, as it is, okay, as it is. And so let me just check what is the issue here. I think the issue with the only this, okay, open and closing parenthesis or the curly braces, okay. So let me just fix this very quickly. Just bear with me, okay, give me a moment. Okay, so okay, you can see, guys, there is double s, okay. You can see here there is double s, okay. So remove one s very quickly, save your file, and now edit the task, okay. So now put here to hit enter. You can see here task updated now successfully. Refresh the page also. You can see now it is updated now, react.js to. So edit this task, okay. So make it 1 1, learn C++ 1 1, hit enter, okay. Task updated. You can see here learn C++ 1 1, okay. Edit this task, learn Angular, so make it I know it, hit enter. You can see task updated, okay. So you can see here learn Angular, I know it. So refresh the page, okay. So now it remains as it is. It is not gonna be changed, okay. It is not gonna be revert back, okay. So guys, now we have, okay, we can add the task now. So add task, hit enter. You can see task details, task added, click ok. We can view the task also, okay. And now it is also working. We can't add it, we can't add, or we can't save the blank empty. We have to give the valid to do task, okay, in the input field. Then only we will be able to save it, okay. So view task, I showed you everything is doing great, okay. View task, I showed you everything is doing great, okay. So view task is doing great, okay. So now hit the button edit task, I showed you also. Make it 100, okay, 100, click ok. Task updated successfully. Refresh the page. You can see here it will remain as it is, okay. Edit this task also. Make it 200, click ok. Task updated successfully. You can see here learn C++ 11 and 200. Refresh the page. It is still here. Added this task, learn Angular, I know it. Hit the button edit task and make it point dot dot dot, hit ok. Task updated successfully. Refresh the page. You can see here it is here, okay. So added this task, add task, okay. So now make it just copy this text only and paste it here. Hit just give here like this, okay. So now hit enter. You can see task updated successfully. You can see here everything is here now. So refresh the page, okay. Refresh the page, okay. But it is still here because we are saving each and everything in the local storage on the machine only, and we are fetching it from there only, and we are showing to the user whenever the page will refresh, whenever the page will reload, whenever the page will open for the first time as well, okay. Because our application is very robust, very dynamic, and very state of the art to-do app using React.js and local storage as well, okay. It says keep your task forever, okay. So guys, now we have achieved, okay, view task button functionality. We have achieved the edit task button functionality, and it is working fine. It is doing great, okay. There is no issue at all. There is no any error at all, okay. View task, okay, click ok. Edit task, okay, we can edit it, anything we can add. It is updated successfully. You can see it is here. And now refresh the page also. We can add the task, okay. So now let me just copy this React to do app and just paste it here. Hit enter. Task added, awesome. React to do app, click ok. We can't fill any empty or the blank text. Add task, you can see, oops, please enter a value to do task, okay. Click ok. So guys, now last functionality is delete task, okay. So guys, now the last functionality is delete task, okay. So now we are gonna achieve it, okay, as in the example. See, cancel, it will cancel. delete, it will delete the task, click OK, delete the task, yes, delete it, click OK, delete the task, yes, delete it, click OK. And now we don't have anything in the local storage or in the to-do app also. So we will see this image and we will see this text also saying please add some task or to-dos. Okay, so by default this will be shown, this image and this text. Okay, if we don't have any single task in our to-do app. Okay, so come here and now refresh the page, and now we will just get this. Okay, delete button work done. Okay, so just copy here, put something, learn WordPress. Okay, hit enter. So now we will just make this delete task button function. Okay, so come to the code now. So come to the this component, okay, which is add task component. So we will just define here another method name now. So just copy this, okay, and just paste it here. We will just say here delete, okay, delete task. Okay, and now we will just pass here only id. Okay, because based on the id only we are gonna delete the task. Okay, so now we are gonna pass here the only id. So remove this, and now we will pass this method name as a prop only. So pass this method name as a prop only. So just paste it here, and now we will just give this prop value also in the parent component. So copy this delete task prop and just come to the parent component, and here only just paste it here and give equal to open and closing braces and give this delete task. Okay, so copy this prop value delete task and come to the main component, and now we will define it. So give here const. Okay, I'm gonna paste it here. I'm gonna use here the filter function again. Okay, give equal to first okay, not okay, so this, and now open and closing braces, just close this, and now you can see here we have passed here one id also to this delete task. Okay, id to-do.id. So we will grab this id also. So come to the code now, and we will just pass here the id. Okay, so as of now let me just alert the normal javascript alert. So alert, I'll just alert the id. So save your file, go to the browser and have a look. Okay, put something hello developers, hit enter, and now click OK. Task added, hello developers, click OK, and now hit the button delete task. You can see here we got the id. So this is the unique id. Add something, task added, click here this delete button or the delete task. You can see here we got the id, so it is unique every time, it is unique. Okay, so come to the code now, and now just delete this alert now. Okay, so now we'll just define this delete task method now. Okay, I'm sorry guys. Okay, I'm constantly speaking, okay, since a long time, so I need some breathe also. Okay, so just give me a moment, okay, to breathe in. Okay, so guys, now just come here. I will just use here sol dot fire and just close this, and just I'm gonna say here that I'll just say here title. First I'll give here the title. Okay, I'll just say here title, are you sure? We are gonna ask the confirmation to the user. Okay, are he or she sure? Okay, I'll just give here the text also. Okay, I'll just say here you won't be able, you won't be able to revert it back, okay. Sorry for the I mean my writing. Okay, so I'm in little hurry. Okay, so we are little late also, so I'm sorry. I'll just say here the icon also, icon of info. Okay, I'll give the icon of info or warning, we can give anything. I'll give you the warning, put comma. I'll just say here show cancel button. I will show here the cancel button also if he or she wants to cancel the operation, if he or she wants to abort the operation as well. Okay, so that's why we have to show the cancel button as well. Okay, I'll say here show cancel button. I'll just give here true. Okay, so just say here true, put comma. I'll just give here the mm, confirm confirm button text also. We will give here the confirm button text also. Yes, yes, delete it. Okay, yes, delete it. Okay, he or she wants to actually delete the task or the to do task. Okay, so if this is the case, okay, if this is the case, then we will just get here dot then method, and it will give here the result also. I showed you result. Okay, and here also I'm gonna run here the fat arrow function, so like this, fat arrow function like this. Okay, so now we will just say here dot then method. Okay, so we will just check here, we are gonna check here if, okay, we are gonna check here if, okay, if this result, okay, if this result dot, okay, is confirmed, okay, which means user has pressed the okay button, which means user want to delete this task, user want to remove this task from their to-do list, from their to-do app. Okay, okay guys, this result dot is confirmed means user want to delete the task, user want to remove the task from their to-do app. Okay, so if this is the case, okay, we will just proceed ahead. Okay, if this is the case, we will just proceed ahead. Okay, and we will just create here one const, we will just create here one const. I'll say here updated, okay, updated to do's, okay, equal to I'll just create here this, okay, copy this to do's, okay, from here, copy this to do's from here, and we will just filter it out. Okay, we will just filter it out based on this unique id, okay, on which user has clicked. Okay, on which user has clicked. Okay, we will just filter it out based on this unique id on which user has clicked. Okay, which user wants to delete the you know particular or the respective task. Okay, so we will just say here to do's dot, we will just say here to do's dot filter, filter. It is again gonna take here one callback function, and that callback function will take here at least one necessary parameter. I'll give here the to do only. So now if this is the case, if this is the case, I'm gonna execute here one fat array function. So we will just check here this to do only, this to do only. Okay, this to do only, not copy. I will just say here copy from here only, and we will just say here to do dot id. Okay, if it is equal to, if it is does not equal to this provided id. Okay, this provided id. Okay, this id guys. Okay, this provided id. Okay, if this is if this is the case, okay, if this id does not match the provided id, we will just remove that task, and rest all tasks we will just keep as it is. Okay, we won't do any modifications, we won't do any changes, we will just check it. Okay, we will just check it if this id does not belongs to this provided id. If it is the case, we will just remove the task with the provided id, and rest all the tasks we will just keep as it is, and nothing else. Okay, so now just close this. So now we will just update this. Okay, we will just update this. Okay, set to do's updater function to using this function guys, set to do's, we will update this to do's. Okay, because it has been modified. Okay, it has been changed. Okay, it has been modified, it has been changed. Okay, so we have to update this to do's as well. Okay, so now copy this set to do's updater function, and now come here, and now we will just where is the delete method here. So now we will just say here this. Okay, and now we will just update with this updated to do's. Okay, so copy it and paste it here. So now let me write the comment also. I'll say here update state. Okay, so now this is it. Okay, and now we will just update the local storage as well. Okay, we will say here local storage dot set item. Okay, set where is the set item? Okay, so let it be. So now we will just pass this key and the value. So you can see here the key is, guys, to do's only. Okay, so copy this key from here and just paste it here. Okay, and now we will just say here json dot stringify, because we have to stringify all the things. What to stringify, guys? This updated to do's only. Okay, so paste it here. So now this is done. Okay, so we will just write the comment here also, update the local storage as well. Okay, so now this is the case, this is done. So now we will just alert the user also, sol.fire. So we will just alert the user like this. I'm sorry. So we will just say here that text, we will just say here text, I'll say here we will just say here deleted. Okay, deleted, put comma, and now I will just give the give here the title. Okay, so just say here title deleted. Okay, title deleted, put comma, and just cut this from here and just paste it here and remove the white spaces. Okay, so we will give the text here as a your, okay, your task has been deleted. Okay, successfully. Okay, so now we will just give the icon also of success, because deletion process is success. Okay, so I will give the icon as a success only because the deletion process is success now. So now this is it. Okay, so guys, now just save your file, and now our code is, guys, ready to be tested. Our code is now ready to be executed. So now save your file and have a look in the browser first. Okay, so now just save here, learn React, hit enter. Okay, so you can see here task details, learn React. Okay, so view the task. You can see learn React, task details, learn React. Okay, edit task. I will just make it 2 hit enter. You can see updated, your task has been successfully updated. Refresh the page also. I'm sorry, refresh the page. See, now delete the task. Okay, it is asking, are you sure? You won't be able to revert it back. Okay, so cancel this. So now refresh the page. You can see it is still here. Now actually delete it. Are you sure? You won't be able to delete it. Yes, I'm sure. Just hit the button. Yes, delete it. So now it's gone. Task deleted successfully. So click OK, and now we can see here this image, okay, by default, and this text, no to do found, please add some task. Okay, so very quickly let me just cut this page. Okay, let me just cut this entire page, and now let me just open this, okay, this file in the browser. So you can see here we don't have any file now, so I'm gonna save here learn. So let me, guys, first let me just say here I'm gonna create here one method also in the second component. I'll just say here function. I'll just say here function capitalize. Okay, so give here a string. So we will just say here I'm gonna capitalize the to do task. Okay, so we are gonna just capitalize the to do task. Okay, so we will just check here if, okay, if this string, okay, if this is this string, okay, is there. Okay, if it is so just negate it. Okay, we will just return nothing. Okay, so close this. Okay, and if there is something, so we will just return it. Okay, we'll just say here string. Okay, this string dot char at, okay, char at 0th index, okay, to upper case. Okay, plus I'm gonna concatenate all the things now. String, okay, string dot slice. Okay, string dot slice, and now it's E. Okay, and now rest all the element. Okay, so we have to give here 1. Okay, so it is gonna capitalize the first character of the string, okay, of any string. Okay, so copy this function name from here, and we will just say here like this. So remove this, not entire thing, and just paste it here. Save your file. Now go to the browser, and now learn React. Hit enter. You can see here the first letter is now capital, so let's just add learn C plus plus. Okay, C plus plus. Hit enter. You can see here task added, and you can see here capital small, like a small l. Okay, so we will make it capital as well. Okay, the first character we will make it capital. Okay, so click OK. So just copy this method name from here only. Okay, and just copy it from here and just paste it here in our where it is add task, where it is add task. So here only, so just paste it. Okay, okay, so paste it here. So copy this. Okay, and just say like this, say like this. Okay, so now save your file, go to the browser, and now so say here learn Java. Okay, hit enter. You can see here now the L is now capital here also in the task details also. Now the first character is now capital. Okay, so click OK. So now edit task, I'll just make here 1. Hit enter. Task updated. Added this task learn C++. Make it 2. Hit OK. So task updated successfully. So now hit the button edit task to update the learn JavaScript, and we'll just make it 3. Okay, so hit enter. So task updated successfully. You can see here, refresh the page. Okay, so as of now we can see here we have got 3 tasks in our to-do list. Okay, so just cut your page. Okay, and just come again open the file in the browser. So you can see here, boom guys, you can see here learn React is 1 here, learn C++ 2 is here only, learn Java 3 is here only. So now just delete all the tasks. Yes, delete it. Task deleted. Okay, delete this also. Are you sure you won't be able to revert it back? Okay, yes, delete it. So deleted, your task has been deleted successfully. Click OK. Delete this task also. Are you sure you won't be able to revert it back? Yes, delete it. Hit enter. So now task deleted. So we can see this image by default and this text, no to do found, please add some task. Okay, so learn React, hit enter, click OK. So please like this video. Now hit enter. I hope you have learned something new here. Hit enter, click OK. Task added. Okay, so please now subscribe my this YouTube channel. Hit enter. You can see task details. Please now subscribe my this YouTube channel. Click OK. We can view the task also. It's working fine. Please like this video now. Okay, it's working to great. Click OK. We can edit it, make it 1. Hit enter. Task updated. Added this also. Make 2. Hit enter. Task updated. Okay, added this task also. Make 3. Task updated. Okay, make this 4 now. Hit enter. Task updated. Okay, so now just cancel this about this operation, deletion operation. Click cancel. Okay, so cancel. We can delete this if we want. Okay, cancel. Okay, so let it be. Okay, so guys, I hope guys you have learned something new, something great, something awesome, something unique from this video, from this session in React.js, and using the local storage as well. Okay, so I hope guys now you are well versed and you are well equipped to create, okay, to build this kind of, okay, great and state of the art to do app using React.js and local storage as well. Okay, so I hope guys you have learned something. Guys, if you feel guys you have learned something new, something different from this video, from this session, then please guys, okay, do subscribe to my this channel Code with ER, and please guys do like this video also, and please guys do like all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and full stack development also. Okay, please guys subscribe now my this channel Code with ER. Okay, and thank you guys, thanks a lot, okay, who has already subscribed to my this channel Code with ER, and thank you to and guys thank you to also those guys who has not yet subscribed to my this channel Code with ER. Okay, please guys, you can see guys I'm putting a lot of hard work, I'm putting a lot of hard efforts to create awesome videos, to create dynamic videos, okay, for you guys on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and on service now. Okay guys, you can see guys I'm constantly speaking since a long time, so sometime, okay, I'm stammering also, I am doing, okay, some slip of tongues also. Okay, so I hope guys you will understand this and you will forgive me for this. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video, for watching my session, okay, for watching my sessions. Okay, so guys, if you feel guys you can give me some feedback, you can give me some suggestions also for my session, for my tutorial, for my video also. Guys, most welcome. Okay, whether it is negative, whether it is positive, guys, I just need feedback from you guys. Okay, just give me the guys feedback, and I will definitely try to implement it in my next video, from my next session as well. Okay, please guys do like this video, and please guys do share your feelings, your okay, your thoughts on this video, on this session. Okay, and guys, if you need this source code of this video, of this session, then guys you can just go to the my GitHub handle, and you can just download the raw source code. Okay, you can just download the source code of this session, of this video here on my GitHub handle. Okay, just come here and just ask me in the comment section below here in the YouTube channel. Okay, and I will give you the link here. You can just go there and you can just download the raw source code. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.